Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this beautiful 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Black Currant. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now some of your awesome features include your front fog lamps. You also have your automatic headlights and your automatic high beams for all of you highway drivers. You have your rear vision camera along with your rear cross traffic and your rear collision alert. But there's a ton of stuff happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your RAV4 is this handy dandy Toyota Smart Key. So on your fob you have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that there is a side view mirror signal indicator there. That's really nice for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. You also have your side blind zone alert. That's another really great safety feature for you. I am going to lock this back up though, however, because it is a Toyota Smart Key. We're not going to be needing that anymore. We're just going to pop that in our pocket, and we're just going to place our hand on the handle, and there it unlocks for me automatically. Really convenient when you're not having your hands accessible, or if your hands are full of groceries and stuff like that. So lots of storage here in the driver's side door. You do have a cup holder in there as well. You also have your power windows and your locks, and your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel, along with your interior lighting, your lane departure alert. You have your heated steering wheel, which is going to be really nice in the winter. You have your differential lock, and you have your power lift gate. So moving a little bit further in, you do have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle really nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat, including your power lumbar support. So that's a lot of really great ways to get you nice and comfortable, which won't be hard inside the RAV because you have these great plush seats as well. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. Again, really great for those summer months. You can let the sunshine in, open up that sunroof, let the fresh air in. Start it up for you and take a look at some of the other technology features. We've got that push start technology with that Toyota Smart Key. And then taking a look at the dash, really nice lighting, ambient lighting, not too harsh on the eyes. Moving a bit further back here, you do have all of the the mounted controls that you're going to want. And you have your nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Again, your heated steering wheel, really luxurious. You do have all of the mounted controls. You have your volume control here with your music selection buttons on the left, along with your hands-free calling, your voice command, and your mode changer. On the right-hand side, this is going to be for your central information display. This is going to give you all of your safety settings, like your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert. You also have the messages from your vehicle, like an oil change light or anything like that. And then you have all of the information such as your fuel range, your eco indicator, and your time until rest settings. So that's going to be really handy on those long road trips. That's all in these buttons here. Just below that is your dynamic radar cruise control. That works with your cruise control just back here. And taking a look at audio, we have everything that you're going to want in terms of music selection. You have your AM/FM radio. You do have your Bluetooth audio, and your Bluetooth is going to give you your hands-free calling as well. You also have your auxiliary input and your USB input, and you still have your CD player there if that's how you want to roll. Now taking a look down here, this is a dual zone climate control. So this means if your passenger is running a little warmer or cooler than yourself, they have some control over that, which is really great. And then moving a bit further down, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger, along with your windshield wiper defrost. Your USB, your audio input is just here. Your 12-volt DC plug-in is just there in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. Then you have your 2 different sport modes, or your 2 different driving modes, pardon me. I'm just going to pop this into reverse here. You do have your rear vision camera. That's going to be really great for backing out of those busy parking stalls, or even just in your own neighborhood, backing out of your driveway with eyes in the back of your head. Much, much safer for everybody involved. Moving a little bit further down here, you do have that sport mode. Once again, really fun to drive that way. And then you have a couple of cup holders there. In your center console, you do have 2 different levels, so you can carry some smaller things at the top and some larger things at the bottom. And then moving just a little bit further in here, we do have a nice big glove box with all of the manuals that you're going to want. So that's going to be really handy for you there as well. Lots of great stuff happening in the front of your RAV. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your RAV4. Now, lots going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear windshield defrost. And as I had mentioned before, you do have a power liftgate button on your key fob. So we're just going to open this up here and take a look at the cargo space. Now, lots going on inside your cargo bay as well. You do have this great cargo cover. This is going to allow you to pull this forward and give yourself a little bit of privacy on those big shopping trips, possibly around Christmas time. People can't see what you're carrying. And then this tucks in nicely in the bottom here, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And a nice amount of cargo space in here. I'm just going to take that cargo cover out so you can see just how much space there is with those seats down. So there's the first seat down, and another great feature, as you can see, is that 60-40 split rear bench. So this means you can carry something a little bit longer while still carrying two passengers comfortably in the back seat. And there is your second seat down. So again, tons and tons of space in there for you. And when you're all finished, you can either use your fob or you can use this button up here to bring down your automatic lift gate. It'll come down nice and easy for you there, and we'll give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. You can see on the top that you do have those roof side rails in case you need some extra cargo space. You also have a light tint on the back windows to give your passengers a bit of privacy. But there's lots happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around. So come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.